Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact Astro A40 revision. This matters for connector pinouts and cavity space. Once confirmed, remove cushions and unscrew the ear cup to expose the PCB. You'll need a small wireless module and a compact LiPo battery. Choose parts that physically fit inside the cup. While you prepare tools, label wires and take photos for reassembly. Do this now because accurate teardown prevents mistakes later and makes wiring straightforward when you start soldering. You'll solder the wireless board audio outputs to the driver pads. This replaces the wired harness so clarity is preserved. Make sure polarity matches and keep joints small to fit the housing. Once done, secure the LiPo with spacers and hot glue so it won't stress solder joints. Then route the charger and power switch to an accessible location on the cup rim. Test continuity and voltage with a multimeter before closing to prevent shorting and ensure stable power delivery. You finish by reassembling the ear cup and charging the battery fully, then pairing with your transmitter or phone. Once paired, play test audio and speak into the mic. Adjust in-device EQ or gain to correct balance. If audio is missing or distorted, make sure the ground is solid and that you soldered to the correct pads. Cold joints are the usual culprit. As a quick troubleshooting tip, a multimeter check of battery voltage and speaker continuity will isolate power versus audio issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.